That's a median nerve. Yeah, that's right. That's a median nerve which is rising from the lateral root, and this is medial root is unfortunately torn, and this is the musculocutaneous. How do we know it's musculocutaneous? It just goes to the biceps. So whenever the nerve goes to biceps, it must be a musculocutaneous, and then it continues here as the lateral cutaneous nerve of forearm. Now, this is a median nerve. See how far the roots go to join. Roots join almost in the middle of the arm. And we have got here the ulnar nerve. Sorry. I'd rather we had it. But for sure we have got here the radial nerve. Radial nerve, thick, so thick, which goes behind the humerus. It just goes behind the humerus, so it's quite characteristically positioned. And here it exits and divides into two branches, the deep and superficial. Superficial runs quite in the surface, and deep goes into the posterior group of the forearm. Okay, and how about here? Well, ulnar nerve goes to the medial humerus epicondyle. Then we have got the median nerve, which joins. It's a union of two roots. This is the median nerve. But see what happened to the musculocutaneous. It is just a very short branch which goes to biceps only. It does not continue as the lateral cutaneous nerve of forearm. So it is just quite confusing. The radial nerve is fully visible here. That's a radial nerve, but this time it's not very thick also. It divides into the nerve which goes to the latissimus dorsi here, relatively thick, and this is the continuation of the radial nerve, which next goes behind the humerus. So as you can see, the variations unfortunately are not that rare. As far as I remember, this one was, when it was more fresh, it was described in one of the publications. Dr. Klimek did it. And recently we did some studies on the anastomosis between musculocutaneous and the median nerve, which are relatively frequent. Okay.